Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and this is the look I created today. The palette I used today is this one by e.l.f. It's called Retro Paradise. Reason why I picked that palette you'll see in the video, but the colors are very fall and I love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I also do a little quick update on my tummy tuck situation. Yes, it's still gonna happen. And also don't forget to subscribe, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. And thank you guys so much. Have a great day and I'll see you on the next video. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and here we go. I got my foundation on. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I prepped my lids using the Wet n Wild Incognito Mega Last concealer. I put that on my lid and then I set it with the sponge. I used the Wet n Wild Bare Focus powder to set them, and I applied my foundation using my favorite Real Techniques sponge. Okay, so here we go. Today I will do a look using this palette, Retro Paradise by e.l.f. And the reason why I picked this palette is because there's a lot of fall colors in here. And it's a really pretty palette. I've been using it all week to do my makeup for work. And I love all the colors. You know, you got the orange here, and then you got like a reddish here. You got the browns, the blues, and it just reminds me of fall. And you know, we're in it already, so I'm very excited, you know. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. I am going to get a brush. My favorite brush by Wet n Wild, and it's this one. Okay, so I kind of have an image of what I want to do. So I'm going to get the color Fuego, and it's like a kind of like a peach color. It's this one right here, and I'm going to use it for my transition color. So I'm going to place it right there in my crease and put it out all the way out, like a little bit passing my brow. Okay, so there we are. I placed it on both my eyes. By the way, the color's called Fuego. It's right there. And now for the next color, I want to get this beautiful orange color. You know what? Let's do this red. It's called Spiced. It's like a reddish color. So I'm going to get a good amount on my brush. Tap off the excess and put it on my outer corner right there. Make the V and then work the rest of it above, right on top of the crease, close to my brow. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. I like the way it's looking already. There it is. Now I'm gonna get this orange called Caliente. I'm gonna grab, you know what? I'm gonna get my little tinier brush. It's this one by Real Techniques, and it's called Essential Crease Brush. I love this brush. So I'm gonna get that orange called Caliente, okay? And I'm gonna place it right about there. Blend it in with the red. Both colors look really beautiful together, very bright, vibrant, and it's the look I'm going for. I'm going for like orange, pumpkin, red, you know. Blend it all in really good. Ooh, I love it. Okay, I know this is gonna be a wild choice, but I'm gonna try it because I did a look this week using these colors a little bit, and I think I put a little bit of this blue. It's called Royal, and this is my defining crease brush by Real Techniques, and it looks like this, pointy and flexible, perfect. And I'm gonna place it right there on my lid on the outer corner of it. Just very lightly working it in, feathering it in, make sure it blends well. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's like 94. What's going on? Bring on the fall weather already. I had to turn on my AC and it's in energy saving, so it's off right now, but yeah. Okay, so what I did is I got my clean brush. It's like a flat, rounded brush, very fluffy, and I am just kind of blending in all the harsh part of the blue color. Oh god, the air turned on, yes. This weather is wild. Okay, so there it is. Now, I'm gonna get the same brush, the flattish, rounded brush. And I'm looking at this color and I'm looking at this one. This one's called Rise and Shine. Well, how would it look if I put it right there? Shall we try it? It looks good. Ooh, it's very gold. Wow, look at the pigmentation on that. It's like very, very gold. Extremely gold. Wow. I could actually use that blue, pull it out and bring it in to my crease. Why don't we try that? Let me try the blue. Okay, and I'm gonna pull it out on this side. There, kind of like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my fluffy brush. This is 224 by MAC, and I'm gonna get this canvas, it's called, and I'm getting it because it's like the color of my skin, so I'm gonna put that on my top of my, what is it, right underneath my brow to give it a lift. There, like that. And now I'm gonna get my smudge brush. This one's by Real Techniques, and I'm gonna get that blue, okay, and then I'm gonna make sure I put it on the bottom of my eye, close to my lashes as possible. Okay, so I cleaned up my brush a little bit, and now I'm gonna go in with, man, I've been looking at this color right here. It's called Paraíso. Look at that. That one. How pretty. Let me give that one a try right there. Let's swatch it. I want to swatch it. One swatch. Look at that. That's pretty. It's like an iridescent color or something. I almost feel like dusting that over, like in my inner corner and up here, like connecting with that gold. It's really, really pretty. Dust off the excess. Okay, I think we're done with the eyes. Now I'm gonna get some lashes, mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back with lashes and mascara. So what I did is, so I'm using the Ardell Double Wispies, one of my favorites, and I had to trim the inner part of it just because I like the outer flare out that it has. So I did that. I also put eyeliner using the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black just in the inner part, like right here, just to fill it in, and I connect it with my lashes so it can look even and full. Okay, but I didn't put no eyeliner on the outer part of my eye. I just don't feel like this look needs it, but let's keep going. Right now I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer underneath my eyes. There's like fallout. You see how it's kind of smearing, but we're gonna clean that up right now. And I'm dragging it down, okay? And I'm using my little favorite sponge. This one's by e.l.f. I love this sponge for my concealer. It's perfect for my under eyes. Had to use my brush because it was kind of smearing. I don't know, it looked really weird, so I cleaned it up with my brush. It was a lot easier than my sponge. Now I'm gonna take that same concealer and put it in the center of my face. Okay, and spread it out. Why is it hot? Anyways, the mornings are cold, which I like. I miss the cold weather. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my sponge. Okay, so here we go, Laura Mercier. Oy, I think I put too much. I'm just gonna spread whatever I have in. We can dust the leftover later. Okay, so now for the contour. I wanted to bring out this thing again. It's called the Cream Bronzer by Makeup Revolution, and it's on medium, ultra cream bronzer. I liked it and I want to keep practicing with it. This one's by e.l.f. and it's called the Buffing Foundation Brush, and I think it's perfect for this because it's cream and it'll be better to spread. So I'm gonna place it right about there. Ooh, it's so much. Okay, it's okay. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just dab some off on my makeup wipe and blend this out. Oh, that's better. I don't like it when it's too dark. Ooh. On the other side. Oh my goodness. Freak out moment right now. And spread it out. Like right about there. Perfect. Grab whatever's left over on my brush and just do the top of my forehead, close to my hairline. Okay, that blended beautifully. Do underneath my chin. And yeah. Let me get my sponge. I'm just dabbing it off. I don't have anything on it. I'm just dabbing everything in, blending it, making sure everything is nice and blended. Okay, and for blush, I'm gonna get this Makeup Revolution palette, the blush palette, and get my little, this one's by MAC, this brush, and I'm gonna pick, let's do this one right here. It's like a peachy pink color. A little bit more. Perfect. I don't know, but I like to blend it all the way up to my temple and brush it down. Get some more. Okay, got the blush down, and I'm gonna get a little bit of contour on my nose. I almost don't have anything on the brush, so let me get a little bit more. I'm just gonna dab it once. Dab it on my towel and my nose. Also, I wanted to mention, I am still with the same plan about the tummy tuck. Still there. I'm still keeping in contact with the doctor that I choose, actually with the people that are gonna schedule my appointment. I'm going in for October 7th for an appointment, and we're gonna talk more thoroughly about it, and I'm gonna set my date that day, so I am very excited. I can't wait. Okay, so for the lips, let me dab some more off. I'm thinking of using this Cinnamon Spice by Wet n Wild, and it's a really pretty dark color. I just want to see how it looks with it. If not, we'll try something lighter. Okay, so there it is. Oh my god, I think it goes really well with this eye look, so I'm gonna keep it on. I like it. It's very fall-like. Oh my god. Right, and I straighten my hair, and let's set the makeup. Urban Decay all-nighter. And there you go. That is my finished look. I hope you guys like my tutorial for today. And it was very fall inspired. I love fall, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on TikTok and Instagram and all those things. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.